This here is the death waiver for the dive. Nothing more need to be said in that regard. Am I gonna read it? No, pretty straightforward.
You agree to die.
This ain't no regular thing. I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean. This for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's talking me nice. I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights. Better get right, I'm champion. The game is in trouble. I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle. I got it for real. Still keep me going. I wake up and hustle. You won't see me buckle.
All right, good afternoon, Redemption Blueprint. We just arrived at One Ocean Diving. We are going to dive with live sharks without a cage, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go hit it up. Am I going to read it? No, pretty straightforward.
And if you get even luckier than that, we go see your native Hawaiian tiger shark. Yeah. Who wants to see a tiger? Me.
We hear horror stories about it.
So take a look at this, that 20-foot tiger shark just lurking in the waters.
So.
Well, this is your crew's favorite shark to see. So if we see one in the water today, we're gonna yell tiger, tiger, tiger shark, right? We're not afraid, we're super excited, and we don't want you to miss that.
See them, Chris? Huh? All right, go in, Chris. Thanks, Sally. See that, brother? Okay. Ian, we'll follow your lead. You're the oldest. You're the Papa Bear here today.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace of my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. Cause no matter where I go, it's so bright. Every day I see the sunrise. Even if it feels like a climb, I don't have to walk that line. That's why I wake up and it's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You got me like, ooh, I can shake it. Breathing in your grace like, ooh, I won't trade it. You got me like, ooh, I can shake it. Living in the space like, ooh, I won't trade it. Shining in the dark without my bright sun. Wanna see your image like an icon. Couldn't even see it with the lights on. Had to try and get you with a Nikon. Yeah, change the atmosphere, you got me feeling loosely. A better picture, I can see it like the movies. Now I know that you're the one, not 2, 3. Don't hit and run, way to glory like a gun. It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way.
finished up Redemption Blueprint. So to recap on what we've done so far today, we did the shark diving, cage free. We had a great time. And One Ocean diving, it's at the North Shore, and they were really great, really cool people, and they did their best to get the sharks drawn out to us, which kind of sounds funny, but yeah, they brought the sharks in and we had a great time. So really appreciative of what they did. We got back and we all went back to our rooms, got cleaned up, and got ready for our company dinner here on some kind of ship or boat. And yeah, we're looking forward to hanging out and to getting our grub on. So we'll see you on the ship.
Yeah, step back a little bit and take that. A little bit more. One further. Just a little bit.
So do you guys want blackened maki-maki or beef sherbet? Yeah, and a little like our party.
No, that is not without a doubt.
On my camera. There you go.
One, two, three. You want one turned around? You what? You want one where I can see your faces up there? Yeah. Sure. I did the same thing. What does that thing called? Anchor. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Right there.
What do you say?
It's far.
What do you see?
What is it?
The whale.
The whale?
Yeah.
Far though?
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission the same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this a buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the graves. Never gon' fumble it, I get the bag and I run with it. Gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse, I am not impressed. I don't need a rash coming in with last, then you see the flash. Elohim with the melody and the keep some kind of breath. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread.